Welcome back, guys. So back to our initial task flow. So let's name this task flow. So this is task flow right now. The time warp task manager concept brief. So we're going to have this and let's create the web page. We want to use Canvas. There's something called Canvas on Gemini. To use Canvas on Gemini to execute code, all you have to do is to click on tools. We've explored all these tools except Canvas. So let's go into Canvas right now. So I had to click on Canvas right now, and here in Canvas, we want to try to use Canvas to explore like building stuff. So let's say build a mobile app, a simple mobile app layout, a simple mobile app layout that can schedule tasks for me and prompts me to start and end task. So let's see what we are going to have with Canvas. So I'm going to have that sent. I'm back to this web page we were told to build. So this is the task flow Google Gemini was able to build for us. So we have the core goal, we have everything. So here you have the core architecture of the website you are trying to build. So task created in app proposed. So this is just a overview of the concept itself, not the build up of the concept. So here we have the overview of the concepts, but then let's go to the build up of the concept actually. So here is the build up of the concept. So we could use the same Google Gemini to execute the code. So here we are without having to use the concept. This is what we are going to get just by prompting. So let me try to use the concept to build an app. So I'm going to come right here, build this app for me. I'm going to use the same canvas to execute that concept. So I'm going to come to my tools and I'm going to come use canvas and I'm going to say build this app for me. This is the app concept note. So we could have something like this and I could have it pasted. So we have the concept note right here. So let's have it sent and see what it's going to do for us. So coming back here, we just built an app just by simple prompts and we have this. It says Belad task flow scheduled. So you could add task, you could give it task and add tasks to your workflow. So you can add Gemini features to the app. So you have your code is right here and this is actually creating it to Firebase. So you have your code right here and this is the code right here. So you have the preview of the app right here. So you could preview the app. You could just say I want to create a course later on, create a course, and you could input whatever you want to input. So you could input the time and everything. So you have the app right here, a preview of the app. So you could say you want to add Gemini features to the app. Let's see what Gemini features it wants to add to the app. So we have the concept note right here and let's see. So it says that's an exceptionally sharp concept, and do you want to dive deeper into the technical specification or should we move on to drafting the wireframe concept for the mobile app interface? Yes, so we could say move on to yes. So we're going to have this and we're going to paste it to the canvas to continue the process. So we're going to have this sent right now. So coming back here, it's trying to, this is an excellent idea. I've updated the task scheduler app file to include a plan button for pending tasks. When you click it, the Gemini model will take the task name, generate a motivational focus for it, and break it down into actionable subtasks, storing and displaying them right on the task card. So you have another feature on the app. So there we have the simple app we've just created. So let's wait for the complex one we are going to have right here. So we have this right now. It says the blueprint. So it says the blueprint should give us a perfect starting point. The task detail screen is the out of the app, ensuring that effort estimation. So let's see what we have right now. Would you like to start building out specific high fidelity elements first? Yes. So let's click on yes and let's see how far Canvas takes us on like building this type of app right here. So that is how to explore this. You could learn more about app building and see how to go about it. So we have the code right here for the app, and we could preview what it builds right here. So let's wait for the code to run. So here we have the code being built, and this is a preview of the app. So let's say our preview, and this is the code, but this is the preview. So let's wait for the preview and see what the preview entails. So we can see what the app looks like right now. So this is the Google Gemini doing this, which is the canvas functionality of Google Gemini. So let's wait for the preview right here. So this is the preview right here, as you could see, and you have your app right here. So it built this app, so you could select and ask, you could do a lot of things, and here is the code preview, and here is the app itself. So these are just complex metrics for you to see how far you can go with Gemini. I hope to see you in the next lesson where we get to do something interesting. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.